Number 10, develop volume with fractional edges. Directions, review the information below, then answer the questions in the gray boxes. Volume is a number of cubic units needed to fill a solid figure. So again, we have this rectangular prism. It is 1.5 inches tall, 2.5 inches long, and 2.5 inches wide. Number 3, how many half-inch cubes will fill the rectangular prism? Let's look at a hint here to see what we need to do. So our job here is to figure out how many half-inch cubes will fill one row of an edge along the base. So the base here is 2.5 inches. We need to know how many half-inch pieces can fit there. So I've got a picture of a ruler, and I've drawn a red line that is 2.5 inches long. This would be 1 inch, 2 inch, and then a 1/2 inch. So I want to break this down into sections that are just a 1/2 inch. So I'm going to draw a line. Right here is my 1/2 inch. So I'm going to draw a line here to cut this, and let me make it bolder, and we'll turn it blue so you can see. So that's 1/2 inch. Next up would be here. This is another 1/2 inch. Then right here, another 1/2 inch, another 1/2 inch. I'm just moving down the ruler 1/2 inch, and we end up right here. So I've got 1/2 inch here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 1/2 inch pieces. So that would be 5 1/2 inch boxes would fit along the bottom here. 5 would fit along here. So let's see, I'm going to type that in. 5 along the base. Then we have to see how many cubes will be needed to complete other rows and fill the layer. So let's see. That means I need to know how many I need to be going along the back. Now again, that's 2.5 inches. So that's going to be another 5. That's the same as this. So I need 5 going across here. And then I need 4 more because I already have that 1. So I need 4 more. 4 more going across the base. Then we need to find out how many layers we need going up. So I'm going to go back to my picture. And now I'm going to undo all this stuff that I've done. Oh, okay. Now I need a 1.5 piece. So I'm going to draw my line starting from here to 1.5, which is right here. And let me make that bigger. Okay, now I need to find out how many 1/2 inch pieces are here. So let's draw a line. I'm going to change the color. Here's a 1/2. Here's a 1/2. And here's a 1/2. So that's 3 pieces. So going back, that means I have 3 pieces tall. So 3 layers of cubes. So that means I'm going to have 5 going around across here, 4 more because I already have 1, so 5 going across the back, and then 4 going up. So together, I'm going to have 5 rows of 5. This should be 5. 5 going across the base. So 5 rows of 5 on the bottom. So 5 times 5 is 25. And then we got to multiply that by the 3 going up. So 5 times 5 times 3 would tell me how many cubes I'm going to need to fill this in.